Once more, here we go. Investors in cryptocurrencies always have high hopes for XRP Ripple. People in the cryptocurrency world think that XRP Ripple will hit a new all-time high in 2019. Many people lose their mental balance when their emotions get the best of them. But what is really going on? What's all the fuss about? What should I expect? Don't worry, this video has all the answers. Do not miss a single second. Nota bene. The way things are going with XRP right now raises an interesting question. Can a 6-year period of problems turn into a quick time of success for XRP? People in the cryptocurrency world remember how successful Ripple was when its price almost reached $4 per coin. However, some people find it hard to understand how this fits with the price being below $1 right now. Still, smarter and more knowledgeable people see Ripple's promise. These people think that the current low price is a great chance to buy Ripple, expecting great things to happen in the future. Investors often judge the promise of a cryptocurrency by how well it has done in the past and how well it is expected to do in the future. Ripple is still a popular choice among investors who see promise in its technology and possible uses in the financial sector, even though its price has dropped from its previous highs. The price of XRP hasn't changed much recently, even though there have been news stories about Ripple's plans for an IPO and the ongoing lawsuit settlement. Because of this, new buyers are wondering if XRP will be able to go over the important $1 mark soon. The company that makes XRP, Ripple, is in a court case with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple was sued by the Securities and Exchange Commission because they said XRP was an unregistered property like stocks or bonds, which is against the law. This case has had a big effect on the price of XRP and on how people feel about the market as a whole. The result of this court case is very important for investors and the crypto community as a whole because it could have a big effect on the future of XRP. In the world of finance, securities like stocks and bonds show ownership or debt in a company and are controlled by specific laws. But cryptocurrencies like XRP use blockchain technology and aren't always thought of as stocks. Supporters of XRP say that it has clear uses other than just being an investment. So, it doesn't meet the requirements to be called a security. In terms of Ripple's plan for an IPO, this action shows that the company wants to give out shares to the public for the first time. It would be possible for buyers to buy shares in Ripple, which could change how the company works and how the financial world sees it. Some professionals in the field have said that this new idea could make XRP, Ripple, more valuable. A well-known crypto expert, on the other hand, disagrees with the common belief that events like Ripple's IPO or deal with the SEC will quickly raise the price of XRP. He says that these expected events might not have as much of an effect on the future of XRP as many people think. This difference of view makes it even less clear what XRP will be worth in the future. The case between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission is still going on. There has been a big change. The court agreed with Ripple that XRP is not a security and shouldn't be limited in certain ways by the government. But the Securities and Exchange Commission is still not happy and plans to file another case because they are sure Ripple is breaking the law. The Securities and Exchange Commission is being very tough on the whole crypto world, not just Ripple. Saw cryptocurrencies as tools that were mostly used for illegal acts like laundering money. In spite of this, the Ripple community and its continue to strongly support Ripple against these claims. As of late, XRP has had less of an impact on the market because prices have been stable for the past month. The prices of Bitcoin and Ether went up, but Ripple's XRP has been going through what's called a market correction. That's just how the market works. Prices always go through this correction after big gains or loses. It's a normal part of market cycles and doesn't always mean the market will go down for a long time. Investors shouldn't worry when Ripple's price goes down because this is a normal thing that happens before markets go back up. These changes should not be rushed, and buyers should remember to stay informed. Market corrections are a normal part of the cryptocurrency market's ups and downs. Some people, including a well-known crypto expert I recently talked to, think that XRP's future might not depend only on what happens with Ripple's legal problems or its plans for an IPO. This point of view is based on a number of factors. Many people think that XRP should be considered a security, which is a big reason for this. That's why the status and usefulness of XRP as a digital asset are not directly linked to Ripple's current legal wars. Which means that even though Ripple, the company behind XRP, is in court and planning an IPO, these events don't have a direct effect on the value or use of XRP. What's going on with Ripple's legal issues doesn't affect the goal of XRP. XRP can still play a role and be useful in the coin world as a whole thanks to this separation, no matter what happens with Ripple. The latest change in the classification of XRP gives Ripple some protection from the lawsuits it is facing. A lot of people are excited and positive about this change, but the crypto experts' warnings shouldn't be ignored outright. A well-known crypto expert has also pointed out that XRP has moved forward despite the legal problems Ripple is having. The XRP ecosystem has grown to include many new projects, relationships, and improvements. All of these separate improvements in the XRP ecosystem show that growth and new ideas are possible. Despite the problems that Ripple is facing at the moment, the fact that the XRP community has grown despite Ripple's legal problems shows a bigger trend in the crypto space. Even if some businesses or projects face problems with rules or the law, creativity and growth can still happen in an ecosystem as a whole. Because it is so strong, this shows that the crypto world's growth and progress potential isn't just limited to one company or its legal problems. Instead, it's driven by a community of people working together and different types of things that keeps changing and growing. According to the crypto expert, the XRP economy is strong and has a lot of different parts. It's important for new investors to understand that Ripple's actions and legal fights may have an effect on the market, but that the growth and potential of XRP as a whole are not tied to the fate of a single company. This point of view stresses the ecosystem's ability to change and grow on its own, which gives people faith in XRP's future, even though there are some legal doubts. To sum up, the information in this movie makes it seem likely that Ripple's price will go up. Ripple's price hit a high point in the past, around $4. Because we're getting close to a bull market, which is a time in the stock market. Especially in the world of cryptocurrencies, where the prices of assets are always going up. People are more optimistic and confident in the market during a bull market, which means that more people are buying and the prices of all cryptocurrency are going up. People think that Ripple's price could go above and beyond its previous all-time high. The whole crypto world might be surprised by this possible rise. What do you think about that? Will $1 be reached for XRP Ripple this month? Do you still think XRP Ripple will go up? What do you think will happen? Please share your thoughts in the comments part, I'm interested to hear them. But keep in mind that investing in cryptocurrencies is inherently dangerous. It is very important for investors to do their own study and think about how volatile the market is. This is just general information and is not meant to be financial help.